You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $70,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, voice-activated navigation system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.